G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the links and we're happy to help you out. Okay, so this is up inside this roof that I just showed you, and you can see these polyester batts are laid out across the joists, right? So the joists are there and they've put them across them, and of course there's air gaps underneath the batts, and so the hot air just runs in underneath the batt, and the batt may as well not be there, because if it's not sitting down on the ceiling, it doesn't help. And of course, the other thing I wanted to point out was that polyester batts all look nice and neat when they're in the packet. They look beautiful, but because they don't have any ability to stop rodents and bugs and things from living in your roof, they fill up with rat poo and things like that. So I don't know whether you can see all that rat poo all over that batt there, right? So there's been a rat, that's where his toilet is, and he obviously goes to the toilet there fairly often. But the cellulose fibre, rats and mice can't build nests in, and they don't make little homes out of it or anything, but they do in polyester batts, and fiberglass batts for that matter. So I'll organise all, like I was saying, now they've got some light. See, they've put the polyester batt straight over the top of the exhaust fan. So that's obviously not installed to standard at the moment, and creates a potential fire risk. So that's why we get up in the roofs and fix jobs up and bring them up to standard. So yep, alright, I'll hop in and do the job. And this is the stain from that mouse nest. If I lift that up, and it stinks, and that's the mouse been living in here and shitting and pissing everywhere. I don't know whether you can see that on there. Yep. So that's all the shit and piss from mice in the ceiling, but you don't see that when there's no bats. It's only when there's bats. When there's no bats, there's no home for mice. So
thank you for watching this video until it is finished. If useful to you,